Alright mga lods, so balikan natin itong si 24hourscoins.com. So as you can see, still yung balance pa rin po natin. Balikan lang natin dito sa ating account. Dito sa ating balance still is meron pa rin tayong 0.05 US dollars and wala pa po tayong deposit na in-invest dito sa website na ito. Now, susubukan nating i-withdraw yung free 0.5 US dollars into BTC. But before that, the first thing that we have to do is i-edit muna natin yung ating account. And then, lagay tayo ng ating Bitcoin account number. So, i-edit lang natin siya. And yung password natin is same pa rin siya. Okay, so, lalagay lang natin dito sa Bitcoin wallet address natin yung nakuha natin ito sa Coins.ph. So, change account data to proceed. Alright, so your data account has been updated successfully. Now, punta tayo dito sa ask for withdraw. And then, nandito yung ating account address sa Bitcoin. At susubukan nating i-withdraw itong 0.10 worth of Bitcoin. Alright, so your comment is this is a testing withdrawal. Okay, and then request tayo. Okay, so sabi niya, sorry, you have requested the amount larger than the one on your balance. Alright, so i-change lang natin ito ng 0.05. Again, this is a trial withdrawal. And then request tayo. Alright, so withdrawal payment system, Bitcoin account is set yung ano natin, Bitcoin wallet address, debit amount is 0.5. We have no fee for this operation. Credit amount is 0.05. BTC amount is 0.0000443. So this is a trial withdrawal, and then i-click lang natin yung confirm. Okay, withdrawal request has been successfully saved. So wala tayong total balance. Pending withdrawal natin is 0.05. And you have no funds to withdraw. So hintayin natin yung next part ng withdrawal if magiging successful siya. So ayan nga guys, so mapapansin natin dito sa ating earnings history yung mga transaction po natin dito sa 24hourscoins.com. Yung ating sign up bonus is 0.05 is tinry po natin siyang i-withdraw from the previous days. Nag-withdraw tayo ng 0.05 BTC noong August 13, 2020, and today is August 13, 2020, at ito yung transaction history niya. So 0.5 US dollar yan. Now puntahan natin siya dito sa Coins.ph natin. Dito sa Coins.ph po natin mapapansin natin na dito sa BTC ay meron tayong 0.0000546 worth of BTC, at yung transaction natin is receive money from an external amount. So it is a proof that even without investment, yung ating sign up bonus is natanggap natin from 24hourscoins.com. So guys, yan, you can try to withdraw yung sign up bonus kay 24hourscoins.com. So sa akin po ay inabot ako na at least mga 24 hours bago siya dumating, but at least nagbayad pa rin siya. So thank you very much guys for watching, and then piliin natin yung ating manalo from the previous giveaway.